Tina Peters' lawyers are using a case from the 1700s to attempt to free the former Mesa County Election Clerk from prison. She's asking an appeals court to recognize President Trump's so-called pardon of her state conviction. Peters is serving 9 years after being convicted on state charges for a scheme to breach voting systems. She was in there looking for proof of election rigging in the 2020 presidential race. Trump's pardon power does not extend to state crimes, but he gave her a pardon anyway. Peters' attorneys argue that President George Washington once issued pardons to people convicted of both state and federal crimes during the Whiskey Rebellion of 1795. They're claiming Colorado's appeals court no longer has any jurisdiction over her case because of this so-called presidential pardon. The appeals court will hear arguments on that in a couple of weeks. Ultimately, this case could head to the U.S. Supreme Court, where Peters' attorneys have publicly predicted that the Republican majority will rule to expand Trump's power.